SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to remove an app from the home screen on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone has an option that allows you to remove an app from the home screen while keeping that app installed on the phone. You can do this by finding the app that you want to remove from the home screen. Then you can tap and hold on it, select Remove App, and then tap the Remove from Home Screen button. Now this app's icon will be gone from the home screen, but it's still going to be on your phone. There's two different ways that you can restore apps that have been removed in this way, and the first option involves the app library. To get to the app library, you're simply going to swipe to the left on your home screen until you get to a screen that says App Library at the top. Now you just need to find the app that you want to restore to the home screen, tap and hold on it, and then select the Add to Home Screen option. Now that app icon is going to be back in its position on the home screen. The second way that you can restore an app to the home screen is through the search page. So to get to that, you can swipe down on the home screen, which is going to bring up the search field, and then you can search for another app that you would like to restore to your home screen that had previously been removed, and then you can tap and hold on that app icon in the search results, and then select the Add to Home Screen option.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.